Hey everyone, this is Vitaly with Vital Design Tips, and today I'll be showing you how to animate a photo using a parallax effect. We're going to start off with Photoshop, and here's an image that I took. What we want to do is cut the eagle out, save that in its own layer, and then save the background by itself. I'm going to duplicate the layer just in case I mess up. I have that as a backup. I'm going to go to my object selection tool, and this is brand new to Photoshop 2020. You can use quick selection or magic wand if you're not on the newest version. So I'm going to drag a box around the eagle, and that does a really good job selecting everything. I then want to cut the eagle out and paste it in its own layer. So I'm going to click Command X on a Mac to cut it, then Command Shift V to paste it in place in its own separate layer. So there it is by itself. I'm going to hide the background layer and just save this eagle as is. So I'm going to go to File, Save As, save it as a PNG. Now I want to fill in the background. So I'm going to Command click on the first layer to select the eagle. Then I will click on the second layer, my background, and I want to fill that with the Content Aware tool. Now if I do it right now, it will leave a white stroke around it. To fix this issue, I'm going to show you how to do that and undo it. I'm going to go to select Modify, Expand. I'm going to expand it by 3 pixels. What that does, it brings the selection out 3 pixels. Now when I use the Content Aware with Shift Delete, it fills in everything and there's no stroke left behind. So now I want to save this background image by itself. And then I'm going to open After Effects and finish the second part of this. So now in After Effects, I'm going to double click on the project and open the background image and the eagle. I will then select the background image and click drag it to the new composition icon. I will then take the eagle layer and drag that on top of the background layer, and we are almost done. I now just want the eagle to zoom in and the background to zoom out. I will now click on the drop down on the eagle layer and keyframe the scale on the first frame, leave it at 100%. I'll go to my last frame and scale that image up to about 125%. Then I will go to the background properties, keyframe the last frame at 100% scale, and go to my first frame and make it about 120%. And that's really all for the effect. You can either move the foreground image side to side or just have it zoom in, zoom out, and do the opposite with a background. And that's how you create an animated photo effect. Again, thanks for watching. This is Vitaly with Vital Design Tips, and I hope you enjoyed the video.